Down by the sea is what I will name my tablescape. And since the water reflects blue and green, I decided to use both colors. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Can you hear the waves? I donned the table with a pale green tablecloth and threw on a lace square on top. Blue chargers are placed on the 2 guest table setting. On top of the chargers are a scalloped white plate graced with a green napkin, and the napkin is dark green. Next, a floral green and blue salad plate is placed on top of the green napkin. A blue bottle of spritz water is sitting atop of a painted saucer. With a blue floral paper round. Now, I chose to leave it that way, but you can cut out a picture of the sea or a shell. Next, these saucers doubled as the use of coasters with the same paper round. Clear wine goblets were put on top of the saucers with the blue paper round. Lastly, the silverware with white handles completes the look. White Pebble vases were on either side of the table, sitting atop of some blue glass candle holders. Inside the Pebble vase is a candle you can light and enjoy the ambiance of the evening. A large light brown shell was set on top of a Pebble cupcake stand. A DIY name card holder was put in front of each place setting made from shells, and you can see this in my last week's DIY. And the look is almost complete. Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Today it is freestyle and I am doing land and sea. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. Summer crafts and art are a lot of fun, and sometimes it turns out great, and sometimes it is better than expected. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, where the waves kiss the shore, I find my God and peace. See you later. Bye-bye. Love, Cindy.